Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm in Ornsirin 3 in Doi Saket, and I will be showing you this house which has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The total space is 76 Sq.wah and 193 square meters. Come on in. Once you walk in, this is the empty area where you can turn into the living room. Right here could be dining area or studying area, relaxing area. The color of the house is really bright, so it's really nice. Right here is another dining area. This door is for the storage. Here are some furnitures, a table, 4 chairs. Now let's check out the first bathroom. First bathroom is the toilet, the sink, and the mirror. And for the kitchen, right here you have the sink, the laundry, the fridge, the stove, and induction fan. And now let's go check the second floor. And here is the closet area, and you can put some space here. And this is the master bedroom. Once you walk in, you have this big bed, and that is the walk-in closet. Right here is the working area. And here is the bathroom. It is quite spacious. You have the sink, the mirror, the shelves, and here is the shower area. And this is the second bedroom, big bed, closet. There's big window where you can get the breeze in. And here is the toilet, which is between the 2 bedrooms, sink, mirror, and shower area. And now let me show you the last bedroom. The last bedroom is the small bedroom with the small bed, the closet. Over here is the working area. And this is the garden right outside the house. It is really nice. You can add some barbecue or relaxing place. And this is the fitness room. It is so big. You have 4 running machines, and then you have cycling machines. Over here is the weight, elliptical. Lovely. And this is the swimming pool, kids pool, and adult pools over here. Over there you have the playground. Looks really nice. You also have massage place where you can get a massage. Alrighty, we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!